Hello and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add a location here on Google Maps. So let's say you're in a particular place and you can't seem to find it on Google Maps. So you're going to add this particular place that you're in. Like for example, this building right here is going to be really quick, so just bear with me. So it's not registered, right? Like you have all these other registered buildings right here on the surroundings, but the building that you're in doesn't seem to have a location pinpoint on it, and we're going to create one for you right now. So all you have to do is click this particular building that you're in, click it, and once you see this red right here, that means it's pinned. Now as you can see, dropped pinned. Now you can just scroll this up, and now there's a lot of options here that you could choose to, but if you want to add a location, you just go ahead and add a missing place. Click this one right here, add a missing place. And now you could type in the details of the place that you're in that is missing on the map. So let's just put this and name this one sample. And what type of place is this? So it's going to be asking you, so you're going to need to fill this all up. So for example, if you're in a restaurant, then you just go ahead and food and drinks or whatever, bakery. So now that you've named the place, you're going to input the location that it's nearest to. So this is nearest to my place here, and now all you have to do is submit. And once you submit that, Google is going to review that, and if it's pretty accurate, then it's going to be added on the maps itself. So I hope you guys find this video of any help. Thank you so much for watching Tech Tricks Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.